Friends, again, CSIR NET 16 December set B question number 69. That is the problem of matrices. Is important that type of problem is general type, but many times related to the eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So matrix is given here in first alpha and alpha 2. So first your target find out the value of alpha and beta. That is the first find out the roots. So now characteristic equations, first we write downs. Characteristics equations, a minus lambda I equal to 0. So first we write down this, after the next one. So 1 minus lambda 1 and 1 minus lambda, that is 0, imply that here lambda minus lambda square minus 1 equal to 0. Otherwise again lambda square minus lambda plus 1 equal to 0. That case is here find out this. So lambda minus lambda and plus 1 equal to 0. So next target is find out. So sorry friends, here the lambda is minus lambda and here plus lambda, that is minus. So that case lambda square minus lambda and here minus 1, that is minus 1. It means the lambda square minus lambda minus 1 equal to 0. So find lambda is equal to 1 plus minus under root b square minus 1 minus 1 plus 4 upon 2. So in that case we get this is lambda is equal to how much we get, 1 by 2 plus minus this is under root 5 upon 2, that is lambda. But here two value, that is alpha and beta. Alpha, so alpha is equal to 1 by 2, alpha 1 by 2 plus under root 5 by 2, and beta is equal to 1 by 2 minus under root 5 by 2. Is already given in problems as the alpha greater than beta. In given that case, that is a find outs alpha and beta. How can find this? Using the Sedrachar methods and simplify. That is here. Next, use this here, x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac 2a. That here formula the when ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 form equation, this here. So what is the alpha n? Alpha n means here 1 by 2 plus under root 5 by 2 raised power n, and beta n is equal to 1 by 2 minus under root 5 by 2 raised power n, that is the value of beta n. Next go to the some things. So that value is here alpha. Alpha is greater than always. So next go to the option. So go to the option here. Go to the option fund alpha n tending to infinity as n tending to infinity. So now check it. Alpha n is equal to what, this 1 by 2 plus root 5 by 2, that is, and raised power n, that value, it means 1 by 2 plus under 5 by 2 is greater than 1. So is greater than 1, so that case is here alpha n limit of n tending to infinity 1 by 2 plus under 5 by 2 raised power n is tending to infinities. So alpha n tending to infinities. Seconds, beta n tending to 0 as n tending to infinities. So now check it here, beta n. So beta n is equal to 1 by 2 minus under 5 by 2, that is value raised power n. So here 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2 under root 5 by 2 is less than 1, is less than 1. So in that case beta n of limit n tending to infinity is 1 by 2 minus under root 5 by 2 raised power n tending to 0. Less than 1 means suppose 1 by 2, 1 by 3, but so suppose that raised power n, so that case tending to 0. So beta n tending to 0. So second option is also true and thirds. And next go to the third options. What is the third option is here? So beta n positive. Beta n is positive, n is even. So check its beta n is a positive, means beta n is equal to 1 by 2 minus under root 5 by 2 raised power n. Here that term is negative. That term which is negative, but power of even, that is even, that power of even which is negative in power of even, so every time we get positive, every time we get positive. So that is every time we get the positive because which is even. So next second option is also, third is true, fourth. Next beta n is negative if n odd. So let's go check it. 1 by 2 minus under root 5 by 2 raised power n. So that is negative. So negative or power is odd, that is here power is odd. So that case is also every time we get negative. So that is, so fourth option is also correct. So here that is all option is correct. This is correct, which is correct, which is correct, and is also correct. So here 4 option is correct. So now finally you subscribe my channels, likes, share and tell to friends. Thank you. Bye bye.